Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum friends. How have to be? Welcome back friends, my YouTube channel at a crochet pattern. Hopefully you will be fine. Have you are spending good and lavish life. So friend, most welcome. I shared with you beautiful ideas that are completely different to each other. I shared with you beautiful ideas in this video. Handbags and college bags in this video I shared with you. So friend, let's come and I shared with you beautiful substantially ideas in this video. I introduce with you and hopefully you will be enjoy my ideas at the last. And can you create different ideas? These ideas cannot me to argue with me. And let's come. I shared with you beautiful design that are completely different to each other. Let's come. I shared with you beautiful ideas that are very beautiful and are completely different to each other. So hopefully you will enjoy my ideas watching this video which I shared with you in this video. Subscribe my channel, like my ideas which I shared with you, and hopefully you can create different type of thinking knowledge to watching this video because it's a very beautiful and authentic ideas in this video I shared with you. I hope you can create different ideas to watching this video and you can create different type of thinking knowledge in this video. Can you share beautiful ideas, and these are very unique designs in this video I shared with you. And friend, don't forget to subscribe this channel because I shared with you beautiful design ideas and that's are completely different to each other. Hopefully you will begin different ideas. I hope you can create different ideas watching this video and you can create different ideas that are completely different to each other. So friend, upload this video your friends, your mutual friends, overall your social personality which you know have that, and hopefully you will begin different type of thinking ideas to watching this video. And friends, subscribe this channel and you can gain different type of thinking ideas to watching this video. Hopefully you can create different ideas to watching this video because it's a very beautiful and dimensionally different ideas in this video I shared with you, and you like my ideas which I shared with you in this video. Subscribe my YouTube channel and like my ideas which I shared with you in this video, and hopefully you can create different ideas that I shared with you in this video. Upload this video your friends, your mutual friends, overall your social personality which you know have that, and hopefully you will begin different type of thinking ideas to watching this video. Like these ideas which I shared with you in this video, and you can create different type of thinking knowledge to watching this video, and hopefully you will be gain different type of knowledge criteria to watching this video. You can create different ideas which I shared with you. Upload this video your friends, your mutual friends, overall your social personality which you know that, and hopefully you will begin different type of thinking criteria to watching this video.